A helpful tool that I've been using most recently to source and recruit candidates has been Swordfish. If you are a recruiter, I'm reading a lot of the post on the Facebook recruiting group pages where people are just kind of struggling to find the right candidates and looking for better sourcing tools. So I wanted to help you with this and I hope this little strategy would work, something you can implement as soon as today. And let me give you a quick preview of it. So the idea would be to go into Facebook and any one of your groups where you want to recruit or source. So I own a recruiting company. I'm in the telecom industry. And let's say, for example, I had job orders for tower climbers or project managers within a tower company. All you would do is go to the group Facebook group page. Obviously, you want to join it and get accepted. And then once you do, you have access to 1.3 members here in this group, which is fantastic. And then when you purchase Swordfish, which I spent a couple of $100 for a license for the year, which gives me like 10,000 exports. But they've got some pretty competitive pricing compared to ZoomInfo and other, lead gen sources. But you'll be able to install the Chrome extension, which I love. It looks like this, and then it actually sits here on the side of your computer. If this is annoying you, you can turn it off. But I keep it on during the day. Simply click it, and then it automatically brings up all 1,300 members right here. So you now have the ability to select all, grab their mobile number if they include that, which most people do, believe it or not, and their email address, which is a really high rate of emails out there from what I've seen. And so we'll just do an example here. We'll pick Wade Sarver, who I actually know, great guy. We're going to go ahead and create the list name, so we'll call it, Tower, just for the purposes of this video. Create it. And then you hit this magnifying glass, and then it goes ahead and finds Wade's information. All right, so there it is. We now have Wade's email addresses. We have all his phone numbers. We can send a text message to him, his LinkedIn URL, Facebook, and Twitter handle if you want that. But for me, it's mostly I want the phone number, I can copy it, or I want the email address to copy and start a spreadsheet for prospecting purposes for sourcing. So really has been a great tool for me. You can also use this on LinkedIn. So let's just say we have anybody on LinkedIn that you wanted to source or recruit. Simply go to the profile, hit find business email, and it'll bring it up for you, and phone number if they provide it. Just that simple. So if you are spending money on overseas sourcing, a couple $100, $1,000, you really don't need to. Just do this on your own. Create a really good sheet for whatever your job is, and start sending prospecting cold emails to them if that's your choice. Now, I really believe in the one-on-one personalized videos, which has been a 90% open rate for me, 30% reply rate. I think that works better than any type of cold outreach. Hope that helps, guys. Thanks.